Ramadan checklist. Print your Ramadan planners. 2. Make your DUA list. Declutter, organize, and decorate your house. Collect clothes and other items for donation. 5. Meal plan and preparation. 6. Grocery shopping. Don't forget dates. Figure out which charities you want to give your zakat to. 7. Use a planner or just any notebook to stay in track. 8. Make and freeze your samosas so you don't wait time later. 9. Set achievable goals. 10. Pick out the Islamic books you want to read. 11. Decorate your kids' room. 12. Make a playlist of the lectures you want to watch on YouTube. 13. Call your parents' relative and share Ramadan greetings. 14. Get your Eid cards ready. 15. Shop Eid gifts. 16. Shop Eid outfit. 17. Create a small masjid space at home to pray in Jamat. 18. Wash your hands with soap. 19. Stay home. 20. Breathe.